Take 429. Yeah, I gotta put a hat on for this one. Could put it this way. I do like this hat a lot, but get this shadow out of my eyes. I like it this way too. What the heck? You'll understand what the hat's for in just a second. Old, such an old thing, keeping young is too. What looks best on me, darling, 31 or 62. By the time I know what matters, I'm too old to care. That's the truth. Someone tell me where I'm going, let me know when I'm there. Slow down, speed up, hurry and wait. So many hats, I don't know which one is mine. I gotta see the bigger picture for I lose my mind. I wear so many hats, working hard to make it work, ain't working hardly at all. One step to get ahead, two back until I fall. Well, I get myself together, but where did all of me go? If I knew any better, well then maybe I'd know. Slow down, speed up, hurry and wait. Am I coming or going, early or late? I wear so many hats, I don't know which one is mine. I gotta see the bigger picture for I lose my mind. I wear so many hats. Don't anybody panic, stay perfectly calm. There's plenty of lies to help us all hang on. Well, I'm right, you're right, but nobody's wrong. No history repeating since we came along.